来。
OK， 那好。
I'll just introduce myself. My name is John, and I work for the BC Cancer Foundation. This is Doug Nelson, our CEO of the BC Cancer Foundation, and this is YJ, who works in the Genome Sciences Center.
I'd love to hear.
Oh, okay. You would like to know?
I would like to know, yes.
Okay. All the money is coming from the donation of our donors. We are part of donors, we members, and some from outside. And the basis is we ask people to make donation. We are a list of $10 a month, and we do it annually. Per annually, we will ask them to donate is maybe $5 a month or $10 a month. So there will be $120 a year or $60 a year. So we just ask people to do it, and we want them to show the kindness, and they want to help people annually, monthly. It's a kind of good karma. We want to get together and to make the society better and make our words be better. So we just ask people to do it per annually and per monthly. That's how we get. So we hope you could have some idea about that.
Yeah, and that's why we want to show the people we very sincerely to consider the purpose of everything, because we are not only help the hospital, we also help the some people that need it, and also for the school, everything. So just like the November and December, we will do some just like gifts. Yeah, the gift to give them the gift for the holidays, East Side, even AIDS people, patients, everything. Yeah, so that's why we need to tell in public how to use the money. Yeah, that's why we need to take a photo and to show them. Just like this time, we want to translate to the Chinese, or to show the people to know the money, where to come from and where to go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
We have been involving in the Salvation Army's Food Night once a month for over 18 years, and once a week cooking, preparing lunch at such senior homes like Cooper Place and the Little Mountain Societies.
Already 20 years for 1,000 meals. Yeah.
Right. So this is coming all of our donors.
Yeah.
And we wish you would understand that. And all of our blessing from our Dharma Master Zhen Yan. That's it.
Yeah, our master is Zhen Yan. Please remember forever. Thank you. Because we want to have a very good relationship with your foundation everywhere. Yeah, so we want to say thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
So let's just hold it 1 second.
Yeah, can you translate? Yeah.
Of the BC Cancer Foundation, we are very honored to receive this very generous donation in support of patients so that they can better understand their treatment when they're speaking the Chinese language.
我代表BC 那个癌症基金会感谢大家的这个捐献，这个对将来这个病人的这个进一步好的治疗和这个对癌症的这个治疗的话会有很好的价值。
And we want to express our thanks to all of the donors who contributed to make this possible, and we will put all of the donations to very good work to help people.
我非常感谢所有的这个捐献者，来捐献这个基金，我们会很好的利用这份基金，给这个癌症做治疗研究。
Okay. Thank you.
I want to introduce Robyn Roscoe. Robyn Roscoe works in the Genome Sciences Center, and especially today, I wanted to talk about the gift we received from Zuchi Foundation in the year 2000 to support the Genome Sciences Center. So I thought today we would do a short tour of the Genome Sciences Center.
Thank you all very much. On behalf of the Genome Sciences Center for your ongoing contributions and your generosity and support. It is through donors like yourselves and your organization that the Genome Sciences Center is able to do many of the excellent things that it has been able to do over the last 12 years.
就是正是由于大家的这个就是捐献，包括在10年前捐献很大一笔钱给基因组研究中心，使我们这个基因组研究中心能够做很好的工作，在过去这12年当中。
So the Genome Center started in 2000, the same year that your donation came in, and your funds went towards the purchase of a DNA sequencer, which was state-of-the-art technology at that time.
在2000年的时候，你们捐献的那笔基金的话呢，用在了买当时最先进的那个 DNA 测序仪，就是测基因的。
So the role of the Genome Center when we started, we were very small. There were only 8 people that worked there, but we've grown over that time. Now there are 320 people in our department, genome scientists and experts in the field of genomics.
在当时成立的时候，我们这个基因组研究中心只有8个人，到现在已经发展到300多人了，就在12年当中。
With your contributions was part of the start of the Genome Center, but more importantly, it was a part of the research activities that the Genome Center did in 2003 around the SARS epidemic and the work that we did to sequence the SARS genome that has been contributing to further research and development of a vaccine for that.
当时在2000年的时候，正是基因组刚刚成立的时候，所以那一笔基金的话，对这个整个这个基因中心的这个发展起了很大的作用。其中包括我们在就是世界上首例，把那个SARS 那个病毒这个全基因测序是我们基因组第一个做出来的。
Wow, great.
Prior to the current technology, took many years and many thousands of dollars to do. Now we can do it very quickly and very inexpensively, and that helps us contribute to healthcare research and healthcare delivery.
工作现在能做了，那么原来要用原来的技术的话，得要花上万或几十万的价值才能做的事情，现在只要几百几千块钱就可以做了。
My last blurb. So the sequencer that we're going to show you is based here in this building, and it has the capability of not sequencing an entire human genome, but allowing us to sequence key genes in people who have specific cancers to help identify what's the best treatment for that person to get. We're now able to say not just that a person has breast cancer, but that they have a particular type of breast cancer, and we use genome sequencing to be able to identify that and give the person the most appropriate treatment for the disease that they have.
一些特定的基因，然后比如说乳腺癌，它就可以检测出来是哪一种乳腺癌，测序之后就是因为乳腺癌有很多种，还可以测序哪一种乳腺癌，然后对症的再去治疗，就可以给药物。
So this building opened in 2005, and with a lot of support from donors as well. And so the building is relatively new, but we'll go into the lab now, unless you have any other questions. First.
这个是就是那个就是模仿那个人的那个就是基因那个 DNA 那个螺旋，因为 DNA 的结构是螺旋形的。但是这个你就是放在这里边的样本的话呢，是跟那个大型机器是通用的，就说你样本需要花时间去准备。
这个需要多少时间？
这个run 就是run 时间大概24小时到36小时。
哦，所以减少很多倍的时
数
间。
据量很快，所以对癌症诊断很有价值。就是你要想要快速得到数据的话，就用这个比较好。
精确度嘞？
精确度是一样的。
So the last thing I'll add is that like most next generation sequencers, this is not even half a sort of part of the project. The amount of data we get is huge, and so we necessarily have to invest a lot in computing infrastructure and have bioinformaticians who specialize in analyzing the data.
但像在我们大的基因组的话，因为产生数据量很大，得需要特别训练的人去做数据分析。那像这个数量比较小的话呢，普通的实验室就可以做了，尤其在这个临床实验室都可以用它，所以就这个很有意义。Yeah.
The many scientists come from.
Okay.
This is because here they make equipment to detect cancer.
这个实验室呢跟其他的不一样，这个就是专门做设备，这个设备就是检测癌症的设备。
So they use it to detect cancer earlier in like lung cancer, oral cancer, skin cancer. So they're making like tools. So.
肺癌、口腔癌、皮肤癌这样。
It's very interesting. Looks like. Visited your dentist, they might have something like called a bell scope. They use to look in your mouth. It was actually developed here at the BC Cancer Agency. It was discovered here.
他就做像那个牙医的那个里边检测那口腔那个就测那个东西是在这里边做的，好多诊所都用那个。
On the floor, that's what.
It's like artistic representation. So most of the genome sciences center is actually in a building a few blocks away. So I understand what
10万到25万的列整个。
So these are all the donors who help support to build this building.
All this building, yes.
If we
Like this. This
Oh.
is in China.
so we donate the virtual and then they put here.
The one that the 15,000 is
Yeah.
supporting, it will be translated for information that's given to the patient by the doctor
Oh,
or
by
the
the doctor.
pharmacist. It won't be here because it's very specific to the treatment that the patient gets.
Right now we donate 15,000 will be paid in by directly.
From the doctor to the patient, yeah, or from the nurse to the patient or the pharmacist to the patient. I can show you copies. They told me it should be ready by end of November. I hope it's hope it's ready.
Okay.
Very happy to support the Zuchi Foundation because I find it very encouraging to see so many volunteers do such good work for people here in Vancouver but also around the world, and just want to make a small donation to continue to support Zuchi Foundation.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much.
我很高兴可以支持慈济基金会。
Okay, that will be fine. That's all.